Over here in Louisville, Texas at Midway Transmission. I had no AC compressor, so what we did was bypass the AC compressor by getting a shorter belt and hooked it up to the alternator and water pump. I'll show you what it looks like. This is the size of the belt right here. Bought it at Nampa. And then I'll show you what it looks like under the hood. This is how we connected it. It's running fine. This is on a Ford F350 7.3 model. So if you have a problem with an AC compressor and just want to bypass that, that is the size of the belt, and I will link it in the description. Thanks.